This simple and short video will describe how to use text to column command in Excel. If you are new to Excel and want to get out most of it, then this could be the start. So stay with me till last and we will learn it as quickly as possible. Now let's make a situation for this command. Here as you can see we have this some sort of list where everything is inside first column, and now I want to separate the text from each line into several cells in order to maintain or manage different parts of it. So select the data which you want to separate. In this case, all my text is in first column. Now go to data and click on text to column. After that, this window will pop up. The entire command works in three main steps. So this is our first step. Here as you can see, it is showing us two options, delimited and fixed width. Delimited is used to separate each field with certain characters, such as comma, underscore, or any other special characters. Fixed width is used when we manually define lines between the whole sentence. We'll do both of them one by one. So let's go with delimited first. Select it and press next. Now here as you can see we have further these many options to separate our text. First one is tab, then semicolon, comma, space and other. Now notice this area how text is getting separated the moment I am picking between the options. So here you can select the option which suits you best, or you can define your own special text in last others option. Press next now. Here in this part it will ask you to define text formatting, whether separated text is a simply text, date or any special type. It is similar like we do for cell formatting. You can define your text here or you can simply click next. Now select finish. Your text is now separated according to what we have defined in delimited options. Let's try other option now. Select your text and go to data and click on text to column. Select fixed width and press next. Here in this area, you have to now define your lines manually. Like this, click between text to bring up a line which separates the sentence. You can add as many as line needed and you can move and delete the lines also. After defining lines, now press next. Here, give desired text formatting if needed, otherwise simply click next and then select finish. If you followed all the steps carefully, you will be able to see your separated text in sheet. Well, that ends another video at our tips and tricks section. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to us. It will be very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet next time with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.